Let's see this problem. Rotate list. Given the head of a linked list, rotate the list to right by k places. So here one linked list has been given 1 2 3 4 5, and here k value has been given 2. That means we have to rotate this two times. So after first rotation, this is 5 1 2 3 4. That means last element is now head. Again after second rotation, 4 4 5 1 2 3. So that means whatever is the value of k, we have to rotate those many times this linked list. Here see, there was 3 element in the linked list and we have rotated 4 times. So 4 times, that means there is only one time rotation now. So after see, as many of its length, if we rotate those many times, then same linked list will again come. We have rotated 3 times this linked list, so this has come 0 1 2 again. So its length time, if we rotate, same linked list will come. Okay, just see its explanation. Rotate list. Actually here one linked list has been given and here value of k has been also given. That means we have to rotate k times this linked list. So here k is equal to 2. So that means we have to rotate this list 2 times. So after first rotation, this linked list should be like this. Last element will come on first position. So this will, after first rotation, this will be 5, then 1, then 2, then 3, and then 4. This is after first rotation, and one more time it will be rotated, so 4 again will come on first position. So 4 5 1 2 and 3. So whatever is the value of k, that many times we have to rotate the linked list. Okay, so k can be greater than this length of linked list also. If k is, see, if k value is here, how many elements? 5 is the length, so 5. That means if we rotate this linked list 5 times, then same linked list will come. So if we rotate linked list 6 times, so that means we have to rotate 6 modulus 5, that means one time only. So here the value of k can be more than length of also. Okay, so how will we approach this one? Just see what can we do. uh, Let me delete this one. I will update here in the main linked list only. So this is head, first element position. At first I will find out its length. So its length will be here, you can see 5. Now what I have to do, I have to go just before the last element. That means I have to go here on fourth, on this node. So how will we go? We will go inside this while loop and we will update. And what I will do, I will make the next pointer of last element to head. So its next pointer should be 1. Okay, like this it will be. And what we will have to update its before position also. That means we have to update 2 times now. And one more thing, see its final position was like this, 4 5 1 2 and 3. Okay, so we will have to rotate one more time. That means 2 times here we have to rotate. So at first last element's next pointer I will point to head. Then what I will do, I will calculate the value of length minus this k. Actually k we can update. As I already told, k value will always be less than or equal to length after calculating its modulus value. That means k modulus length we will calculate like this. So in that case k value will be either less than or equal to length. Okay, so we will go till length minus k minus 1 position. That means see here length is 5, k is 2. minus 1, this will be 2. That means 2 times we have to proceed in this linked list. So see, I will take one node. Why I am doing this one? Because I have to make this sorry, I have to make this next pointer equal to none. In that case, see, this will be the final linked list now, what we were required. If we point this one to none, where nothing pointer is, that means this is none. Okay, so this is our final output, and this will be head, that means new linked list head. So it will start from 4, 5, 1, 2, and 3. This is the required linked list. So we will have to go till 5, till length minus k minus 1. So I will update one node from here. Let's consider this temp, and it will go to its next node. How many times? See, length minus k minus 1, so here will be 2. So first time it's already on head, so one time this will be temp dot next. So our answer, two times it will go now. So first time it was already in temp, so no, that means first time, that means initially it was on this head. So first time temp, second time here it will again come temp, and its next pointer initially was 4. So in our new linked list, our head should be this pointer 4. So I will store this one in answer, and this will be temp dot next. And after that, what I have to do, I have to this delete this next pointer. So temp dot this next should be none. That means this will be deleted. So in this case, see, our linked list is now 4, 5, 1, 2, and 3. It's like this now. This is answer I am telling. So in the new linked list, our first node will be this 4, 4, 5, 1, 2, and 3. So what I have done, I have at first made the last, that means this was the last node. Last node next will be head, and until length minus k position. Here length was 5, 5 minus 2, 3, minus 1, that means those many times, because we were starting from head. So length minus k minus 1 times we will move, and we will store the next pointer of last where we are going, that means this temp. So that will be our initial pointer for the new linked list after the rotation. Okay, just see the code. At first I will check if this linked list is empty or not. So if not head, then we will simply return none. Okay, now see what I have to do. I have to go on the last position of the linked list. Okay, so I will take last, and at first it will start with head. So while last dot next, because we have to go on the last element. So I will, from this while loop will execute only till second last position, because last dot next is there, last element does not have any next pointer, it will be null. Last will be last dot next, and I will calculate length also from here. Initially length equal to, let's consider 1, because for head it will be 1, length plus equal to 1, because it is going on second last position only, till second last position only it is going. Okay, so we have find out the uh, what pointer of the last element. Till last dot next it will go, so this will execute for last pointer also. So this will be the last element, last equal to last dot next. Okay, now k value has been given, so k we will update with its modulo value, k equal to k modulo length. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to just define one another pointer temp that will go till length minus k minus 1 times, because I have to make its next pointer to none. So temp equal to head also, and here see um, at first and last next pointer we will make to head. Last dot next equal to head, because last element we have find dot and its next pointer should be head. We have defined a new pointer temp. Okay, so this will go for in range length minus k minus 1 times this temp will be temp dot next. Let's see this example here now. This is 1 2 then 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 only, no? 3 to 5. So see, last element is 5, so its next pointer will be 1. So but we have to update this pointer also now. After 2 round trip, its final linked list should be like this, no? 4 5 1 2 3. So 3 next pointer is here none, so we have to update this one 3 next pointer to none. So how we will update this one? We will go till length minus k minus 1 times. See, here length is 5, so 5 minus k is equal to 2 here. 5 minus 2 minus 1 equal to 2. I will start from head, so it will start from here only. So 2 times it will move. So if 2 times it moves, so here temp will be updated to temp dot next. See, initially it is on head, so 1 time 2 time this for loop will execute. So for first time this temp will be come here 2. Initially it was starting from 1. So after first loop it will go on 2. After second loop it will go on 3. So this is temp. Okay. And what I have to do? I have to make this next pointer to none, and also we have to update our final linked list. Our final linked list is 4 now. So our final linked list head should be this 4. So I will update whatever is our final linked list head value. I will just consider a answer. So answers should be this 4. Let's see. I do here. So see, this temp dot next has gone till 4. Okay. 2 times it has gone. So no, it will go temp dot next will be 4, but temp will be this 3. Okay. So see what I will do. I will take one pointer answer, and answer will be temp dot next. So see, temp dot next will be here 4. Okay. And this now temp dot next we will have to update with none. Temp dot next equal to none, because see 3 next pointer is now none. Previously we have updated with for final linked list answer. This is pointing to first node, that is 4. So that was temp dot next. So 3 next is 4. So this was the answer. Okay. So finally we will return this answer as the pointer. Okay. So just see again its final code. What I have done. If linked list is empty, then just return none value. I have taken one pointer for last element for finding out the last element of this linked list, and length I have calculated. So and k I have updated by modulo because k value can be more than length. So in that case, if we rotate its length time, then nothing rotation will be there, because if we rotate 5 times only, then same linked list will come again. So it will repeat the process. And this last dot next, so last element next pointer will now will point to head. So last dot next is head. Now I am taking one temporary pointer temp, so that after k rotation, whatever is the position of this temp node, its next value should be none. See here, 1 2 3 4 5, after two rotation, that means two value we have to exclude. So length minus k minus 1 times, because minus 1 is why, because first element is already pointing to head, so we have to go till 2 time only. So I have subtracted minus 1 1. So temp dot next, so temp here will be 3 and temp dot next will be 4. So our final linked list will start with 4. So I will store answer pointer as temp dot next, and here 3 its next temp next should be none. So return answer. Let's run the code. Okay, accepted. Submit. It's submitted. Thank you.